Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pros and cons of rebuilt titles. What is a rebuilt title? Pro: lower prices. Con: rebuilt title status can be hidden. Pro: Carfax knows the facts. Con: difficult to insure. Con: some issues could be overlooked. Con: warranty is typically voided.
Take our lead.
In most states, cars with salvage titles are considered unfit to drive and cannot legally be on the road. Though a salvage designation can never be completely removed from a vehicle's title, if a car is completely repaired and passes a state inspection, a rebuilt salvage title or rebuilt title will be issued.
Take our lead.
One advantage of cars with a salvage or rebuilt title is that they generally cost much less than vehicles with clean titles. In fact, salvage or rebuilt vehicles generally cost 20 to 40% less than the same type of vehicle with a clean title, according to Kelley Blue Book.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.